In today's video, I'm going to teach you advanced planning in Jira Premium. Advanced planning, formerly known as Advanced Roadmaps, is a powerful Jira Premium feature designed to help teams plan work more effectively across multiple projects. It gives you a shared timeline, better visibility across teams, and helpful tools for managing dependencies and capacity. One of its biggest advantages is that it works like a safe planning space. That means you can test different ideas and model changes in a sandbox-style environment before committing anything to your actual Jira issues. This makes it much easier to explore options without disrupting live work. Another major benefit is cross-project visibility. Instead of looking at projects one by one, you can combine work from multiple Jira projects, boards, or agile teams into a single plan. Advanced planning also supports custom hierarchies, so you can go beyond standard epics and use higher-level items such as initiatives to connect daily execution with broader business goals. On top of that, dependency management helps you spot scheduling conflicts and bottlenecks early, while capacity planning helps make sure your timelines are realistic, based on team workload and velocity. To create a plan, start by going to Plans. Then click the plus icon to create a new plan. Once the setup opens, enter a clear plan name. Try to use a name that makes the plan easy to identify later, especially if your organization manages several planning views for different teams or programs. Next, choose the access setting from the drop-down menu. You can set the plan to open or private depending on who should be able to view and work with it. After that, define the source of the work that will feed into the plan. From the drop-down, select whether you want to pull work from a space, a board, or a filter, and then add the one you want to use. This step is important because it determines which issues and teams will appear in your planning view. Once that is set, click Create. If your setup includes teams, add your teams and then click Next. You will then be asked to select your default timeline view. You can choose from Basic View, Capacity View, Top-Level View, or Dependencies View. Pick the view that best matches how you want to begin working in the plan. Then click Next. Finally, click Finish to complete the setup. Once your plan is created, you can begin reviewing timelines, balancing workload, and exploring planning scenarios in a much more strategic way. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.